Hi Brad, my name is Michaela. Thanks so much for reaching out for a free site audit with SEO information on the Commercial Carpet Cleaners Facebook group. So glad that I can offer this service to you guys during some of my downtime. So that worked out great for all of us. And funny story, I'm actually from Siloam Springs, Arkansas. I'm not sure if you know where that is, but if you take Highway 412 all the way into Arkansas, you'll run into my hometown. So it's like we're neighbors. So kind of cool there. But anyways, I'm going to go over a few things that Google looks for in regards to ranking their websites on their Google platform. The first thing that they look at is content. And what do I mean by content? Content is any obvious words that are on your website. And they look for pages as well. So every page, it kind of increases your content within your site, which is also going to increase your level on that Google platform. Let's take an example. So if you type in anything specific, let's even say like blue cheese onto a Google search, you're going to find Wikipedia is always number one. Why? Because of its content. It has mass amounts of content for every known topic under the sun, and that's why they always rank number one, because of the amount of content they have. So content is key. Looking at your website, P.S. Beautiful website. Love the pictures. Everything is super eye-catching, but you don't have a ton of content on the first page. Videos also great for viewing and for customers to look at and everything. But and I don't know if this is just my screen, but these are coming in super hard to read, so that might be an issue as well, but not a lot of content. From looking at, sorry, didn't mean to scroll that big, looking at your number one competition, this one is ranking number one right now on Google. So first thing I can see as a difference is they do have some content on their first page. So what I'm going to suggest is to beat them, you will need about 1,500 words on your homepage alone. This doesn't have to be genuine content about you guys specifically, but just about carpet cleaning in general. 1,500 words, whether you break it down into sections like they do here, like area rug cleaning with some verbiage, anything like that. It just brings extra visibility, to your site from Google. With that, every additional page, so as you can see, they have a page for each service. This is going to help you get found for different keywords. So right now, like steam cleaning, they're going to be found for steam cleaning. So anybody who searches Tulsa, Oklahoma steam cleaning would potentially find this site because it's a keyword within their site. Going back to yours, you do have services. Let's see. And I do believe all of your services are on one page. So what I would recommend is breaking them up into different pages. Google likes big sites, right? It likes sites with a lot of pages. And with that, do about 750 words to 1,000 words of content for every additional page. Again, this is going to let Google say, hey, there's a lot of content. We really like this site. We're going to boost them up to the top. It's kind of one of the biggest things that organically will move your site up that scale. Looking at this tool I have called Ahrefs, it kind of tells me where your site lies in regards to digital marketing and things like that. We want these two, this UR and this DR number, to be close to a 1-to-1 ratio as possible. That's what we call the golden ratio. And with that, this determines based on referring domains, backlinks, and citations, which again, I'll go over the rest of those with you. So right now, let me see if I can move this. Right now I show organic traffic to your website as 0, meaning you're not doing much in regards to your website for getting new customers. Let me show you why. So if you click on organic keywords here, I can show you the different keywords that you're currently ranking for and your position on the Google spectrum. What we know is the top 5 to 10 get the most leads. right? When somebody does a basic Google search, usually they don't go to page 4 and 5 to continue searching. They're going to pick something off of the first page and potentially the second page. But our goal is always to get you to the first page, right? So for Tulsa carpet cleaning, which has 150 search volume per month, you're listed at number 23 on that list, meaning you're at position number 23. So you're on page 3 of Google right now. So you're not going to get many leads from that, unfortunately, and so forth. And that seems to be about the highest up that rank you are. From there, you just get farther and farther back. So carpet cleaning Tulsa, again, 150 search volume per month. You're at number 40. So you're on page like 4 or 5. So again, content is going to be the biggest key factor that's going to organically move you up that list. Let's go over something else. So citations. If you look here, as you're probably familiar with, this is the Google My Business. We call it the Google Map, of course. And these top 3 here are going to get the most business because they're in your face, right? They're very visible. People click on them, like what they see, good reviews. At least this one has 156, this one has 787. There's other factors that go into that. But citations, if you know what those are, they're anywhere that your company name, phone number, and address are located. That's called a citation. We recommend, let's see, on this basic search of carpet cleaning Tulsa, you are at number 43. So you're pretty far down the list. And again, most people aren't going to search that far down to find somebody to give their business to. So what I would recommend is about 350 citations. Now with that, I have the ability to go into Master Carpet Cleaning and Tile and seeing how many citations they have to know how many to beat them. I throw 350 out as a general blanket to most people, saying this is what it's going to take to get you to the top and keep you at the top. So 350 is probably a good number of citations to add. Also, pictures to your Google My Business page. The more pictures you add, Google really likes to see that as well, and that'll help move you up to the top. More reviews, obviously, go to the top. So there's a few things there with the Google My Business that also help bring in a lot more customers and move you to the top of Google. Last thing I want to talk about is a backlink. Backlink is where any site, let's even say like angieslist.com, that puts a link from their site linking back to yours. These are huge with Google. Not all links are created equal, so it's good to have kind of a mix of what we call do follow links and no follow links. So no follow link is where you just post it and the person doesn't actually give you the link back. But if you put your website on a different site, then Google still sees it and counts it towards your ratio, which again, let me get back here. That ratio is going to be these first 2 numbers here, this UR and DR value. So right now I show you have 255 backlinks, which is a great start. Historically, you've had about close to 600. I could always look up your competition to see how many they have to know what kind of links they're getting and how to get you those links as well. So those are the biggest things, is getting quality backlinks. Referring domains here is huge. That's because you can put a backlink on a site and sometimes it can give you 5 backlinks. They want to know how many referring domains on how many different sites did you put backlinks. So again, it's kind of a mix there of the two. So those are the big things. Content, again, content on your website, I would recommend 1,500 words for the first page, breaking all your services into separate pages, allowing you to be found for more services on a basic search, being able to rank for more keywords, also a big plus. And then on every additional page, 750 to 1,000 words, again, bringing all that content up so where Google sees you as a very prominent website and brings you closer to the top. Also, what we can do, or what I recommend, is getting some good backlinks, good quality backlinks with a high, what we call a DR, which is domain referrals, essentially. But getting you some good quality backlinks, that's going to help really just drive your site. Google sees you as a trusted site if you add trusted backlinks. So your credibility with Google becomes more stable. And then again, citations. So adding at least probably 350 citations, maybe less. I haven't done that research for you, but potentially less to get you to the top of the map pack. All right, but those are my recommendations. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will reach out to you soon, okay? Thanks so much.